17.
17. Let's see, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah?
Drink that whiskey and Coke. I'll show you how to do it.
6 hole 1. 6 hole 1.
Oh shit, Dylan's the one I'm fucking scared of.
Dylan's a
So men as
I'm
suited,
chilling.
like suited reactors, it's all about
Right.
what possibilities you can get for yourself. So if it's suited connectors, even if they're low, you can get the straight,
25.
you can get the flush, and you get the straight flush. So it's the more possibilities that you have, the more it's worth sticking around and seeing a card. But if you're super far off and you need too much, that's when I do.
So that was just one possibility.
Like,
Yeah,
you
if they were suited, I normally
familiar
play
with
suited
pine trees?
Right, okay.
Check.
Yeah, I grew up in the East Texas pine.
Check.
Nice pines, right?
Nice pines. Christ almighty, poker just went up $1. Be careful now, they're a big deal.
Be ashamed to not keep them safe.
the pine trees.
The Amazon?
I'll do a hundo.
That's
Oh, let's fucking go,
a
Jay.
fucking overbet. It's such an overbet. You're full of fucking shit. You don't have a 10.
You feel like 100 is enough of an overbet that it's a
There's
clear bluff.
only what, 40 bucks in that pot? It's a
Right.
clear overbet. It's a bluff strategy. But
You're underestimating. I don't know poker.
oh no, I watch.
seen him play.
I watch. I see a few, right? They film us, my guy. I study. Okay, I'm a fan of the trees myself.
How much?
That's how you know he's angry.
$100 worth of a bet?
Dylan, that's not how you know he's angry. He did the tongue
The
thing,
good
the
news
lizard thing.
is if you call me
When
and I
Lazer doesn't
win,
know- Call him.
99% of my winnings are going for the trees.
Call it, bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
Give me a sec.
Hey, look at me. Call it, bitch. It doesn't look great.
Call it. Call it. Call it. Call it.
Do you have to type all those in, or do you have a repeat button?
I've never seen anyone use the swipe function as well.
Call it, bitch, butch, bitch.
You're a butch bitch. That's great. Call it.
What's your heart rate at?
It's always high.
Oh man! All right, I'm not calling yet, but I'm gonna flip this up for a teachable moment. All right? So 10 beats me, and King beats me, right? But the King you didn't bet, and you didn't bet again, and then you talked about them fucking East Texas pine.
Beautiful species.
Do the tongue thing again, and let's go.
Well, I mean, I'm already scared. He doesn't want to put fucking.
Why are you considering $100 on a queen?
Because I think he's full of shit.
He thinks he's bluffing.
Just like the way you walk, I think you're faking it. I fold. Let me see. I just want to see. Show the camera for everybody can play. Okay. Oh. See, that's the thing. It gets disguised. It gets disguised. Because right there, he doesn't bet when the flop comes out because he's got a middle pair, right? And then the queen comes out, gives him a straight draw because I had a straight draw. A jack would have fucked me because I had queen 9. But then the 10 comes out, it's disguised. It's hard to see. Looks like he missed his draw, but I don't know.
I have no idea what you just said from beginning to end of that sentence.
Yeah.
What were you saying? That you were breaking down why he was betting the way he was betting?
Yeah, because 100 looks like an overbet, but the 10 is disguised, so it's hard to pick up. Like if he hit a 10 right there.
Got it.
I mean, you don't get this shit tattooed on you just because you think it looks cool. We used to do this to signal each other to cheat in them underhouse games.
You overestimated him. He just tells jokes and eats fucking chicken.
Just different ways you touch the chips, like how you can put
Yeah, card placement.
Where do I put him?
chip placement, tap
Really?
placement. Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
What was the
Nadav, are we gonna do any farm pots?
Okay.
We could,
Nah, what do you want to do?
like, towards the end.
Yeah.
Just because
The level of players here,
lot.
it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's when everyone starts off with $5 in the middle, everyone gets their 2 cards, and then the flop just comes out, and then betting starts. So people are playing with hands that normally they would have folded before the flop. It just opens.
But I thought we did like two
boards.
Oh,
two
yeah,
boards.
PLO double board bomb pots.
Yeah,
that's for after the stream.
Yeah.
PLO double board bomb pots. So pot limit Omaha, double board, so 2 boards, and then bomb pots, meaning.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, dude, it's the crack cocaine of poker. How's it tell?
I'm gonna go based on your theory.
There you go.
All in.
All in.
Yeah. Come on, Aaron. Aaron. You got good call. Every two. Here's the thing. Let me tell you a little secret. Let me tell you something my daddy told me. Okay.
49.
At the very beginning of the hand, before the cards come out, both your cards in your hand, they're fucking live.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? They're live. You could be holding the goddamn monster winner right there. But how you gonna know if you don't ever get to a fucking flop? Sorry, dude. It's just me and you.
He's all in hand.
Oh.
He's called.
Okay, he called.
It's nice to feel like Laser.
I haven't folded a good hand all night.
No such thing as a good hand. All there is a winning hand.
And a fold.
Wow, that's like philosophical.
I saw it on a bumper sticker as I was walking.
Tony, you want to go once or twice? I think it's just us.
Let's do twice.
Let me see.
Twice as fun.
Oh yeah, you did.
Ooh,
did.
is that suited?
Yeah.
All right.
That was good, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Twice.
Yep.
Twice.
No, we say it like this.
Oh, we like that club?
Oh.
Runner clubs would be
Oh,
bad.
and fuck him on the other board too. Oh, wait a tick. No, that's not it, dude. You're dead.
It's fine.
You're on-
Hold on, a queen and split it.
Yeah, clean and split it. Ooh, that was fucking close, though.
So that's one.
So he's got one. It's okay. You got an ace out of the way, though. There's another queen. Holy shit.
Wait, what's happening?
They double.
Now they're doing two boards because they're running it twice. When your head's up, you can decide to do that.
Oh! There is a guy!
Hold on, no diamonds. Got him.
Got
Let's
it. Chop. See, y'all win.
Let's go, Tony.
Hey, that's a good little sweat.
So what happened was that Dylan won the top board, Aaron.
Dylan won this with the ace queen up top, and he won the bottom with the 10 queen down bottom. You get
So
the
the
option to do
last
it.
time they played twice, you just doubled the last card.
Because it
the whole
depends.
hand's where you do it.
Yeah, it's
Transfer one all in.
when it becomes heads up, like that's when, and someone goes all in, that's when the decision gets made. So from the all-in point, that's when you can decide to do double boards.
And why would you decide?
Was that nerve-wracking?
Because variance is a big part.
I don't want to go home yet.
Even though ace
I got a
queen
bad home life.
should be
He's already out.
most
I
times.
want all. I just want
There's gonna be times where it doesn't. So
Hell yeah, boy.
he's not gonna want to play
right with the Lord.
He's not gonna want to play
Straddle.
once where he gets sucked out. It just offers like I'd rather split this pot than completely lose it. You know?
Yeah, but the actual what they were going to be splitting was like $10.
Yeah. But it's better than losing your whole fucking
Right.
hand.
It's the difference between going
Because
home
he
and
knew
not.
once he flipped up and saw that ace queen, he's dominated. So the fact that he let him run it twice was generous.